In front of me is Motorola Razr 30 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. You need to begin by going into Settings and tapping on Sound and Vibration. Now scroll down to access Vibration and Haptics. Then, thanks to this switcher next to Use Vibration and Haptics, you can enable or disable them. If you decide to switch them on, you can adjust all of those options below them. In order to turn on or off ring vibration, vibrate first, then ring gradually, or outgoing call vibrations, tap on all of those switchers next to all of those features. You can do exactly the same with notification vibration, alarm, touch feedback, and media vibration. If you decide to disable all of them completely, just click on this switcher instead. Then go back, scroll all the way down, and click on those two switchers next to charging sounds and vibration. And always show icon when in vibrate mode to turn them on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!